Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to find factors of a number using Java program. Here we will be using Eclipse. So let's get started. We have already created a project here. Now, this package we will be using to create a class here. So let's go ahead and right click on this package and go to new and then click on class. Give a meaningful name. I'm giving factor as we are going to find factors of a number. So main method will be required to execute a program. So just take out this main method, click on finish. So here our class is ready to write logic. Okay, so here we will be writing logic in main method. So let's give a little overview so that concept will be clear. So what is factors? So factors of a number are nothing but integer that divides that number completely. It means once that number is divided by that integer and remainder is zero, then that integer is called factor of a number. So this is the concepts and we'll be writing a logic with these concepts to get factors of a number. So let's get started. Let me declare a variable here, integer type variable number. We have given the name to a variable. So that number basically get the value from user. So we can to get the integer from user, we have to use a scanner class. So let me declare a scanner object of a scanner class. Okay, scanner equal to new scanner system in. Okay. So let me import the package. So the whatever utility package will be there which contains this scanner class. Okay, so import it. Now write a message here that will prompt user to enter number. So sys out enter a number to find factors, to find its factor. Okay, this is a very good prompt string which will be asking user to enter number. Okay, so let me store that number which user enters into a variable called number equal to a scanner object we will be using. This is the scanner object actually. Let me copy and paste to save our time. Okay, next int, this is the method which helps us to get the number from user. Okay, now here we'll be writing a logic, and then we will be finding that logic will be providing factors of a number. So we can give a message, proper message, sys out factors of whatever the number we have entered, that number we can pass factors of this number. Factors of this number are, so this is the message we have entered. So whatever the number factors we will be getting, that will be printed below this line. Okay, so let me write the logic. So we will be using for loop, and loop will be starting from 1 to this number, int I less than equal to number, and loop will be increased by 1, I plus plus. Okay. Int I equal to int I equal to 1. Okay, and then we'll be checking if number is completely divisible by this integer I or not. So number percentage we can use to divide and get the remainder. Okay, I, then we are checking if it is completely divisible or not. So in case completely divisible, remainder will be 0. So this is what we are checking. If it is the case, if this is the case, then that is the factor of number. So print, we can print that number. Sys out, we can print I, which is the factor of a number. We can save it, and then system.in we have here. Okay, we can save, and then we can go ahead and run it. Okay, so here it is asking to enter number to find factor, to find its factor. So let me enter 12. So guess what will be a factor of this number. So this number will be divisible by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 12 also. So these are the factors. So just click enter. See, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. This is what we were expecting. Okay, this is how we can find the factors of a number. So hope this video will be useful to all of you to find factors of a number using Java. Thank you for watching.